In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a lead manually to Lemlist step by step. First, log into your Lemlist account and go to the campaign section from the left-hand menu. Next, open the campaign where you want to add your lead. Once inside the campaign, head over to Lead List section. Once inside, click on Actions drop-down and select Add One Lead. Now, fill in your lead's information such as first name, last name, and email address. You can also add extra details like company name, job title, LinkedIn URL, or any custom variables you want to personalize your outreach. After entering the information, quickly review the details to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Import This Lead button, and the lead will immediately be added to your campaign in Lemlist. That's how easy it is to manually add a lead to Lemlist. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.